Hello friends, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox Sony's SRS XB31 extra bass Bluetooth speaker. Let us check out the box first. It has got NFC. Of course, this is a Bluetooth IP6167 rating. They are claiming 824 hours battery. Live sound. I think this is a party mute. Oh, I don't know what it is. I think this is something to the lighting of the speakers. Party boosters. This is self-explanatory. Okay. Let us go around what we got here. Okay. Sony is claiming waterproof and dustproof. Live sound mode, party booster, all these features. Of course, this I bought from Flipkart. I think I paid around, let us see the pricing, if at all it is given. It actually cost 12,990 in India, but I bought this at a good discount rate at about 7,499 rupees. Okay, without further ado, let us open this. First and foremost, make sure that you have this company seal, which is Sony branded hologram. Make sure that it is there. Sometimes you don't have a seal here, and that particular box could be opened by some other consumer and must have returned back to the online website. So make sure that you have a seal there. I hope it's visible. Yes. Okay. A plastic hanger. What we got here? The speaker has got a rare opening here. Okay. Here we go. Of course, I'll play this. I'll connect this to my uh, mobile as well as on my PC. I've got already installed a Bluetooth adapter to my PC so that this could be connected. Okay. Rubber fit. It's got. Oh, this is good casing. This is good plastic plus rubber. Quite heavy. Looks very sturdy. Okay. You've got a reset button, a battery to know. Let's check this out. Come on, and it's looking for the Bluetooth. It's on. I'm looking for the Bluetooth. Battery fully charged. Wow, this is great. Can you hear that? Yes. I hope it's audible. Here we have WPC add button. So I think this would be to make a party chain so that you could connect multiple speakers like this. We got NFC. Okay. DC in 5 volts. This is USB out. So I think we can make use of the internal battery as a power bank so that you could charge your mobile, iPhone, or anything of that sort which supports micro USB. This is audio in, which is you could connect the speakers with the aux in. Maybe assume that you don't have a Bluetooth adapter with you to connect your machine or desktop to the PC, desktop to your Bluetooth speakers. So if you have say aux-in cable, I think you could use that aux here to connect your desktop to a Bluetooth speaker or a mobile device to a Bluetooth speaker and so on, just in case if you don't have a Bluetooth connection. This looks very promising. Okay, I will not go in detailed features of this right now. uh, there are volume up and down pairing, and this is to take a call or a disconnect a call, I think. Yes, that means this has got a internal microphone which you could talk to. Okay, let us go and dig into the box. What else you got? Just a reference guide. This is setup guide perhaps. Just open that. I think this is self-explanatory. I think you should go through this at least once, and then it should be very easy. I mean, at all you want to go through that. Okay. Wow, you got a micro USB cable. I think everyone possesses that. Okay, I'll just keep this aside for now, and we'll see how this Bluetooth speaker performs. Okay. The box, the speakers, micro USB cable. I think that's it. Let us experiment. Let me go and get my mobile first. Bluetooth is on my mobile, and here we go. Select SRS XP31. There we go. Let us play some music.
एक दूसरे को जो मिले खुश नसीब है हम मिलते.
Meanwhile, let me put on my machine, and also will check the sound quality what we'll get from a Bluetooth adapter which is connected to the PC. Okay. My machine is on. Meanwhile, we'll play some music.
रही दिल खुशियों से
Yes, you did see me adding my password, but don't worry, you won't be able to crack that. Anyways, uh, let me just search, or let me add the Bluetooth device. Okay, it's already on here for some reason. I might have connected to something else. Okay. Okay. uh, Let me just put this off first. I think it should be able to connect to two Bluetooth devices, but it will play only from one side. But let us experiment that. Okay. mm, it's on now. Again, it's searching for the Bluetooth, and it should be able to connect to my Bluetooth adapter of my machine.
Battery fully charged.
For some reason it is taking time. There we go. It's showing the volume on my machine, and let me play some. Okay, let me play some YouTube rather than playing some. Let's check that quality first. Okay, let's listen to some Sanskrit.
Have you ever noticed how some people just light up a room from the moment that they walk in?
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Some classical music, of course.
कृत्यासुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं सरित्तारहारैर्जलमन्निकामं हिमाद्रिललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयम् धनानां निधानं धरायां प्रदानम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम् यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् अनेके प्रदेशा अनेके च वेषा अनेकानि रूपाणि भाषा अनेका परयत्र सर्वे वयं भारतीयाः प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा रक्षणीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा रक्षणीयम्.
Okay, so that's that. Let me connect from my mobile and let me play that.
सब हंसकर हर हमको भुला दे, मुस्कुराते हुए हम खुशियों से मिला दे ये रास्ते हो
Yeah. Okay. I've tuned down to the lowest. I think it goes to the mute. Now let me increase. you just hold this button and that should be fine.
हो या रात गाएंगे हम साथ, दूर हो या पास हम जिएंगे एक दूजे के वास्ते। ओ
Uh, of course, to give my first impressions, I did use a Bose speakers. Uh, Bose speakers which I used, they were not having this much of bass, but uh, for if you are into classical music, if you like to listen to classical music, I think Bose would be really good compared to this Sony. Uh, of course, it's subjective. It's very subjective. To it will keep on changing person to person. Uh, to tell you the first impression, this looks very sturdy. This is waterproof. This is IP67 rated. Mm, of course, this is dust proof too. And I think, of course, this smells also good for some reason. After for few days, it will smell like this, and that will go. I think this company smell whatever. Uh, Never mind. Um, I like the speaker. These are really good. Of course, I haven't experimented with this lighting, and probably I will not also, because I don't like that flashy thing. I would like to have this as the speakers is very simple. Just play and just connect and play. Um so if someone wants to have a party chain, I think this would be really good. Of course, you can do that. Let us check if they have given something on. Um, anything. Yes, you can connect. They have just shown 1 2 3 4 wireless party chain, but that is not my requirement, so I'll just move on from that. My requirement would be only to connect my mobile to this particular Bluetooth speaker via aux-in or via Bluetooth connection. I would also like to connect this to my desktop machine via Bluetooth adapter or via aux-in. That's it. I do not want 2.1 or 5.1 taking 5.1 speakers taking my desktop space or space in my room. I think that's it. I mean, I'm not playing much of things on that particular machine. Could see I've got two machines here actually. I don't know whether you could see that. Uh, Let me just show. Let me just pan that out. See that? This is my first machine, and this is my gaming machine. So for that I already have 5.1 channel connected here. If you could see those three speakers, and my other machine has got or will have only the Bluetooth speakers. So there we go. Yeah, let me fix that. Let me just talk about this Sony speakers, Bluetooth speaker. They have got cloth covering, which they have claimed it's waterproof or partially waterproof at maybe certain distance or certain depth. That's got good rubber fit, very good. Sony branding here. Play, pause, maybe take call and drop calls, volume down, volume up, on, off, NFC. If I go back or go at the right side, good. We're going to get good cover, which is going to keep moisture or water out from this particular chamber. You got USB out for charging your mobile or any other micro USB compatible devices, a reset button, battery status. One more thing, if the charge is actually the charge or battery charge status is given in terms of uh, slots. Actually, if it is more than 70% and if you hit this battery button, you will get 100% as a status. Just don't take my word for that. Please go and check the Sony website for that. It's like that. There is a battery indicator, I think charge indicator. So here it is 5 volts. Amperage is not given actually, it's just given DC in 5 volts. So I think 1 amps or 1.2, 1.5 to 2.1 should be good enough. I think try to make use of course they have not provided charger with that, but I think you can go ahead and purchase Sony charger, which is having rating as 5 volts 1 amp or 5 volts 1.2 amp, 5 volts 2 amp or 2.1 amps. I think anything above 1.5 and less than 2.1 should be good enough for this particular Bluetooth speaker to get charged. You got audio in, that is aux in. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Let me apologize for the hissing sound of my camera lens in my video. So very sorry about that. And please subscribe to my new channel. And I will see you in the next video with something exciting to review or unbox. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.